Hi everyone. I have my flow chart as our school board, which are our elected officials, and they make decisions for us to follow. We have our district superintendent, and he enforces what the school board has decided and works with them, and then on down through district office to our school principals. Our district office has our HR department. They oversee our pay, IT, and transportation. Next, we have from the superintendent, we have our school principals. We have in our district, we have 6 elementary schools, 1 middle school, and 1 high school. So to list all of those would be kind of hard to do on a flow chart. So I just grouped them into one group. The school principals then oversee the teachers in the building and our SPED department, our custodians, and our support staff. And we are more of a functional type organization, which works for us. Thank you.